I am Anushka Shrestha, 23-year-old banker from Kathmandu. My motto in life is eyes on the prize, feet on the ground, and heart at a happy place. This world really is a platform of making strong bonds, of making networks that really helps each and every one of us and spreading greater positive impact in whatever communities we live in. Winning Miss World to me would mean being able to take the Miss World flag and all that it stands for to the top of the world, the land of Everest, and from there on, utilize it, adding on to the legacy of spreading the best positive impact we can within and around us throughout all our world members.
So now you're a foodie, right? I'm a foodie. So what would be your favourite meal to cook for me?
For you, if you'd asked me this a couple of months ago, I'd say momos. But now I'd say the organic vegetables that we grow at our community project site, the spinach, the potatoes, they're the best. You have to visit me and I'll cook them for you.
Can I have momos as well?
Yes, you can have the best of both worlds.
Fantastic. Congratulations to you. I'm going for momos.
Good luck. It's the most important event in Miss World, and the winner will get the full backing of Julia Morley and the Miss World organization in supporting their projects, including a visit by the new Miss World next year. The winner of Beauty with a Purpose is Nepal! Tells us a bit about what Nepal has accomplished this year.
The children of Solsing dreamed to become all that they had been exposed to in the 2015 earthquake. But their reality made its possibility seem incredibly bleak. Children are more involved in household chores because there is no alternative. With limited road access, the nearest high school is a 4-hour walk away. Dropout rates over 90%. I decided to do all that was in my power to help them sort through the pile of problems they had to live with. However, our project is far from done. The day Solsing produces its first army personnel, first air hostess, first police officer, first pilot, first doctor, as they aspire to, is the day this project will be completed.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 2019 Miss World Beauty with a Purpose winner, Nepal! Congratulations, Nepal! After the break, we return to the competition to find out who our new Miss World is.